Hello everyone, I welcome you all to lesson number 2. So in lesson number 1, we learned 5 basic steps. We practiced them with music as well as without music. I hope even you all have practiced them really well with and without music. If not, please first learn them properly and please then continue with lesson number 2. And I also hope you all have warmed up your body and done a little exercise. If not, please do that first and please then continue with the steps. So, in this lesson, we will be learning step number 6 to step number 10. That is the 5 remaining basic steps. Okay, so let's begin with step number 6. In step number 6, what you have to do is, it is very easy trust me. You have to keep your right leg out at 45-degree angle, not on the side, not in the front, in between at 45-degree angle. Okay? And what you have to do is push your body out, the waist and belly button to push out and in like this. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Keep your hands loose. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Same on the left side. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay? What you are doing with hands is you have to keep your hands here like this, your palms facing the ground, and you have to just keep your hands as they are and just move your body and keep them loose. So what will happen is when you come forward, your hands will go back. When you come back, your hands will come forward. Okay? So it will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. On the left side, take your left leg forward on 45-degree angle. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. On the right side, 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, back, forward, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. On the left side, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, I hope you all have got it. Moving ahead with step number 7. In step number 7, what you have to do is, you have to kick your right leg out first, take it back and then open your left leg. So it will go like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Again, slowly. 1, 2, 3. There will be a small little minute jump. Again, kick back out. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Again, right, left. Okay? And please, this noise will not come. You don't have to come altogether on your feet. Okay? You will be on the balls of your foot. Your front portion. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, we will add a little element to this. 1, 2, 3. And when keeping your hands here, you have to do chest bumps. Like this. 4, 5. Okay? We will try the chest bumps first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What we are doing is we are taking ahead, we are pushing ahead our chest portion. So we will call them chest bumps. Out, 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 out. Okay. Doing whole step together from the right side, yes, then we have to learn from the left side also. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. Kick back, open, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, go. Kick back, open, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, 4, 5. Okay. Now we have to do the same step on the left side. So first we did on the right, now on the left. Yes, we will kick from the left leg now. So kick back, open. Okay. Left, left, right. But when you are taking this back, you take a small jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chest bump will be same. No difference in that. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, back, right. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, back, right. 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we will combine both the sides, right side and the left side. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Please do not don't get mistaken. Any music, any portion of music is one portion of music is known as one bar. You must be aware, I am not sure about it. It is one bar, and one bar contains of 8 counts. Every portion of music has 8 different parts. So always the counts go like 1 to between 1 to 8. It is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and so on and so forth. But here I am giving 5 counts only to make you understand the beats which we are going to dance on. In the song, when the beats are coming, the steps are divided like this. There are 8 counts in the music, but we are dividing the steps like this. So, only to make it easier for you, I am giving you 5 counts, 5 counts. Okay, otherwise always there are 8 counts, just to let you know. So again we will practice this a little faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, left, 4, 5. Left, right, 4, 5. Right, left, 4, 5. Left, right, 4, 5. Kick back, open, 4, 5. Kick back, open, 4, 5. Kick back, open, 4, 5. And kick back, open, 4, 5. This is the speed on which we have to dance. So, please buck up, please try hard, and you will definitely crack it. It is very simple, but for the first time you may feel it is difficult, but once you get the technique, then it will be really easy for you. So, last time, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Moving ahead. Now, we will start with step number 8. You all must have seen that step hundreds of times in Bollywood songs and everywhere, and in weddings also. It is the Dhumka step, which I mentioned earlier in lesson number 1. So, what you have to do is, you have to push your waist outside. Okay, you have to hit your waist outside like this. Hit, 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 hit. So, here you are standing normally, you have to hit it on the upward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 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 up. 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 Okay. Now we will add hands to this. So your left hand will be here on your head, behind your head actually. Please don't keep it here near your ears, it is wrong. It looks weird. You have to keep it here, the back of your head. And you have to keep your fingers like this and you have to touch your hand. Okay? See the angle. It goes on horizontally like this, not like this, neither like this nor like this, straight, horizontal. And other hand here on the waist like this, you have to hold your waist, not very tightly, but see, I am holding it like this. Thumb is here and fingers are here. Okay. Now you have to do the same step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can do like this also with both the feet on the ground. It will be a little difficult for you and it will not look very graceful. So in order to make it graceful, you have to be on the ball of your feet. It will look better. And your leg will be bent to look really nice when you do. You can hit it hardly or softly. It all depends on you and your capacity. If it is paining here, you can just use small chongas. If it is not holding, you can just go one. Take it really big. So again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay. So we are done with step 6, 7, and 8. Now going ahead, we are going towards step number 9, the second last basic step. This is a typical Bollywood step again. There is no use of the legs as such, but what we have to do is, we have to keep our hands open like this. Not a very tight fist, but your fingers closed, not like this. Closed fingers, open them and shake. Shake from the chest like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm just shaking my upper body from the shoulder till my chest. Okay. So it is used in many ways. Like it is used like this. It is used like this. Okay. Then like this. Okay. You can do a lot of things, lot of legs and directions you can add to this, but this is the basic one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it pains a little, but we don't have to do it again and again. We just have to do it once or twice in any choreography, and that too for maybe 5 seconds, not more than that. So, but this is just for your practice. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done. Yes, we have reached the last 10th basic step. Now here we are only going with the legs. We can add a different variety, a lot of varieties of hands to this. Right now I am not adding anything. I will just make you add the hands when we are doing it with the song and the choreography and the lyrics. Okay, we will have to add the hands, but with the words and the lyrics. So right now just learn the legs and that's it. Okay. What we have to do is, we have to start with our right leg in front. So 1, then 2, 3, 4. So you are taking this portion of the circle in this step. Okay, starting from 90 degree, reaching down 180 degree in 4 steps. You can just keep your hands here or just keep them as they are. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When you are doing that step, automatically if your body is loose, it will just bend back side automatically. So let it bend. Don't hold it and do it like this. Okay. You just don't have to keep like move your legs like this. You have to move little palms with your body, with your upper body. When you are moving your legs, you do have to take support of your upper body also. You can just not move your legs like this, okay? So you have to bounce from your upper body like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, we are done with all the 10 basic steps now. Revise it from step number 6 to step number 10. Step number 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Moving ahead, step number 8 is the Thunga step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 9, the shaking step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last step, step number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, now let's do all these steps with the music. 6, 5, 6, 7, 1. well with the music also. If not, please continue with the practice, because now the good news is we are going ahead with the song and the choreography part. Yes, we are going ahead with the choreography part. So it is very important for you all to get the grip over the basic steps. So it becomes really easy for you to go on with the choreography, because it will be a little fast and it will be with the music. You have to remember the counts. So once you are through with the steps, you just don't have to remember how we have to do it and how we have to do our legs and hands. Once it gets into your muscle memory, you just have to go on and remember the choreography part. You just don't need to keep 100% focus on your steps. Okay, so this song starts with yes, one sound of the minute. Okay, so then we will start with our steps. So in the beginning, the lyrics are baby baby hi hi goli mare, akhiyon se hi hi goli mare. So baby baby means baby, it's a girl. Hi hi is just like we just use it in our language to praise someone. Okay. Goli means bullet and mare means to kill. Akhiyon se means with the eyes. Again, goli mare means to kill with the bullet. So the meaning of the entire phrase is the girl, the baby, she's killing me with her eyes. Okay? Like we are praising her, like a guy is praising the girl and he's telling that you are killing me with your eyes. Yeah, just look at your eyes. You are firing bullets with your eyes. Your eyes are so beautiful, and the meaning is this. So we are starting with the first step along with this lyrics. Okay? There are lyrics and there is a piece of music. So we will start with our first step. I hope you remember the first step. We have to do 1, 2, 3, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So here what you have to do is you can add up your hands. You can add up like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because we are using the lyrics in the eyes. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to walk 4 times, twice towards the left and twice towards the right, along with the lyrics and the music. So it will go on like this: baby baby hi hi goli mare, akhiyon se hi hi goli mare, baby baby hi hi goli mare, hi goli mare. Okay? Once more. 5, 6, 7, go. Baby baby hi hi goli mare, akhiyon se hi hi goli mare, baby baby hi hi goli mare, hi goli mare. Okay? So we have used our first step here. Now we go ahead with the second step. The beats will be little, we cannot say fast, but they will be little loud. There will be extra beats in the second line, the second portion of the music. But the lyrics are same and the rhythm is same, the counts are same. Okay? So we did this for 4 times. Now what you have to do is, we did second step like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? But here we are starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So what we are doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here what we are doing is, we are doing this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We are keeping the hands here. Baby baby hi hi. Goli mare means she is shooting the bullet. Okay? So back, front, 1, 2. Then we are shooting on the left side. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? Or you can do it one hand also. Okay? Then we are again doing the same step here. 1, 2, 3, 4, the rhythm and the feel of the step. Okay. So we will be having little modifications in the choreography part according to the music. Okay. So now baby baby hi hi goli mare akhiyon se hi hi goli mare baby baby hi hi goli mare hi goli goli mare. You can use any hand on that. Okay. So going with the counts, please do not forget to lift your leg while moving from left to right and right to left. Don't just walk from here because we are dancing. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So first step was baby baby hi hi goli mare kino se hi hi goli mare baby baby hi hi goli mare hi goli goli mare. Second, baby baby hi hi goli mare. You have to keep your hands like this and you have to show ability. You have to keep your first fingers together and then hold the other fingers and then okay. So you have to shoot like this. I hope you all know that. See, the 4 fingers are together, the thumb is entangled, and the fingers are also entangled. Okay. So again, the second step. Baby baby hi hi goli mare, akhiyon se hi hi goli mare. Baby baby hi hi goli mare, hi goli goli mare. So these two steps are with the lyrics and the words of the music. Now in the third and fourth step, we only have the beats of the music, that is there are no lyrics. Okay. So now the twist is we will combine third step and fourth step. Okay. I have taught them separately to you just to make you comfortable with the steps. If I would have mixed them previously, it would have been a little difficult for you or a little challenging for you. So we are combining third and fourth steps. So it will go on with the beats of the music like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So third, fourth. First third on the right and then fourth on the right. Like with the right leg towards the right side. And then from the left, third on the from the left leg and fourth on the left side. Okay? Going ahead slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, push, push. 1, 2, push, push. Okay? Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You only have to do it 2 times. Once with the right leg and on the second time with the left leg. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I hope you all have practiced. If not, please keep practicing. Only then go ahead with the fifth step. Fifth step is this one, if you remember. Here it will be considered as the fourth step, as we have combined the third and fourth step. Okay. So now what we are doing is for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the music part, the beginning part of the song, which I have taught you. Now we will do all these steps in a sequence with the counts of the music, not with the music for now, only with the count. So you get the hang of it and you just get how many counts we have to, or how many counts we have to do a particular step. Okay. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 4. Baby baby hi hi goli mare, kino se hi hi goli mare, baby baby hi hi goli mare, hi goli goli mare, baby baby hi hi goli mare, kino se hi hi goli mare, baby baby hi hi goli mare, hi goli goli mare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this part, the main first line of the song will be started. So I will teach you that in the next lesson. But for now, let's do this one more time with the counts and then with the music. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will do this sequence with the music for 3 times. Even after 3 times, even after practicing for 3 times, if you are not remembering it or if you are still confused about it, please just keep on practicing the same portion until you get the hang of it. Don't go ahead otherwise, okay? Just keep practicing with the music, keep practicing, okay? So once you remember this portion only, then you will be able to go on with the lyrics portion. Because we have a lot of new steps which you have to do, which you have to perform with the lyrics, which are specifically allotted to that particular word and beat. So let's go on with the music. But along with the steps, as we keep on going ahead, I will also teach you how to give expressions to that particular line. Because only then you will be able to communicate through your face and hands. Okay. So here we only have one line which is getting repeated for 3-4 times, right? So what you have to do for the expressions part is you are going first. You have to maintain an eye contact with the audience if they are right in front of you. If they are sitting downwards, you are not supposed to look downwards, okay? You just have to look straight, okay? So if there is a camera towards it, if there is no one towards the wall, okay? You have to communicate through your eyes and you have to communicate the meaning like this. So if you are walking, you cannot walk like this, you have to maintain an eye contact with it, okay? So maybe we're behind, I go deep and you have to smile. Because you just have to enjoy. You have to walk as if you are, just chilling and walking in a garden. Something like that. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, Akhil say hi, Goli hi. Akhil means eyes. So, you have to do something with your eyes. I'm doing this, you can do anything, something else also. Okay? Again, maybe hi, Goli hi. Hi, Goli hi. Okay? Boys, we can just walk with a swag. Maybe we're behind my Goli Mare. He say hi, Goli Mare. Maybe we're behind my Goli Mare. Hi, Goli Mare. Okay? Something like that. Now, again, in the next line we have same, the next portion we have same lyrics. So, what we are doing is, maybe we're behind my Goli Mare. So, you have to pretend as if you are actually shooting someone. Not like in a very You have to keep a smile on your face. Don't forget that because this is a very happy, entertaining, Bollywood number. Okay? Then, hi, okay, or something like this. Just look straight and smile. Okay? Again, maybe hi, Goli, man. Say hi, Goli, man. Maybe, sorry, from here. Maybe hi, Goli, man. Hi, Goli, man. So this is the way you have to express yourself. Then, when we are going to have only with the music portion, you don't have to give any expressions. You just have to give a smile. Don't dance without any expression with your blank face. Otherwise, it will look like you are doing a Zumba class or exercise or something. No, you have to give some expression. You have to give a smile at least. Okay, so the audience will enjoy watching it, and you yourself will enjoy dancing. So, in the music portion, you have to go, you have to move your body, you have to move your eyes also. Down, push, push. Down, up, push, push. Down, up, push, push. Down, up, push, push. Okay? So you cannot do it like this. It will be difficult. So move your head and eyes together. Okay? And in the last, you have to look at your hands and then your body as I said. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either you can look at your hands or look straight. Up to you, but don't forget to look smile. So, here we are ending our lesson number 2. Keep practicing. Learn the basic steps properly from 6 to 10. Then do them with the music. Practice them with the music. Then just fit everything with the beats and the choreography. And only then go ahead with lesson number 3. So, keep practicing, keep dancing. Be happy, enjoy your life, and I'll see you all